It happens to us driving instructors on a daily basis. But why do people really want to overtake us all the time? Let's have a look at this situation. Approaching a set of lights which are on green, and look how long the learner takes to move away.
Seriously. That is why people get frustrated with learner cars. Driving instructors putting them on the road before they can actually move off properly.
I know people can be impatient sometimes, but really it's the driving instructor on occasions which causes this impatience. I do spend a lot of my time teaching driving instructors, and to be honest I do understand that when people are learning they're not going to be as good as they eventually will do. But to be honest, one of the main things that you should learn straight from the off is not push your pupil into things that they can't cope with. And this situation is a classic example of that. It's hard to see because it's so far ahead, but the learner is now in the junction with a signal on to the right, waiting to turn.
Lights have changed now. How long is the learner going to take to do the right turn? Are they still stuck in the middle? Lights have changed again, no one's moved because the learner is stuck in the middle of the road still probably. This is what gives learner drivers a poor name. It's because of poor driving instructors, not the learner's fault. Learner's binned it and then parked on the cycle area up the curb.
If you were following the learner, would this have caused you to want to overtake? Also, what could the instructor have been doing to stop this situation? And finally, how do you think this made the learner feel? I'll be interested in your comments. Thanks for watching.